Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, August 31st, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I'm going to talk to you about smart branding today and why I decided to put my brand, joinruss.com, on my hat. Okay, so the first thing, if you want to be successful in anything, really, especially online marketing today, you have to brand yourself, because there's just too many people out there, sharing opportunities and promoting opportunities. And if you don't stick out or brand yourself, if you're just throwing programs around, the chances of people joining you aren't going to be very good, right? But if you brand yourself and people become aware of who you are, and they know that, if I have a question about mailbox money, I'm going to go talk to Russ. Then you have, your chances of having success are greater, right? Because you're building a brand, right? You're becoming known in whatever it is that you're doing, and that's what you want to do. So that is the reason why I put joinruss.com on my hat. First of all, it's a short domain name, so it's very memorable. It's simple, and it sparks curiosity in people, right? So my hat does two things. I can be going, if I'm sitting at a restaurant or just out walking around in public, people look at it and they'll be like, I wonder what joinruss.com is, and then they'll go and they'll visit my page, right? Just out of pure curiosity. But then you also will have people come up to you and ask you, what's joinruss.com all about, right? And so it's a perfect way to start a conversation without any pressure, right? People are asking me, what is Join Russ all about? And I can simply tell them, Join Russ is all about, I'm Russ. I help people generate mailbox money. I've been doing this for 19 years. Working full-time for myself since 2018, and that's what I do. I help people who are stuck in their 9-to-5 jobs, who want to supplement or replace their income. I help them start a business and help them grow their mailbox money and build their mailbox money empire. And then I just give them a Join Russ business card, right? So it does two things. It has all the people that will see my hat that won't even talk to me, but they'll just go to my site. And then people who come up and ask me specifically, what is it all about, right? And this works anywhere. I mean, I could be at a coffee shop, I could be at a store, I could be at an event, I could just be walking in public. All right, so it's something that, it's just another way to get eyeballs onto my joinruss.com page, right? And then we know, if you've been watching my videos, that on joinruss.com, it gives people the chance to connect with me on Facebook and YouTube. They can join my free newsletter. They can get my free guide on 10 ways how to start making mailbox money this month. And they can see my opportunities that I'm a part of. And they can even reach out and ask me questions right through there. So that's why I put this on my hat. It's just another marketing tool, right? So everybody should be branding themselves. That's the point of today's video. If you're really serious about building an empire, you need to be branding yourself. You need to be stepping out of your comfort zone and making videos. If you don't like making videos, you got to get over it and start making videos, because the competition is only going to get stronger, right? More and more people are starting to make videos about everything. There's more competition now, right? It's not as just posting your links on Facebook or on social media, that it doesn't work as well as it did 5 or 10 years ago, right? Because more and more people are getting into marketing, working from home, sharing their opportunities, creating videos, so the competition's a little bit stronger. The cool thing is, it'll never become saturated, right? None of this will ever become saturated. But the winners are going to be the ones who step outside of their comfort zone and take massive action and do the things that they don't really necessarily want to do, like making videos. Right? That's what you have to do. So, brand yourself, get a short domain name, join your name, work with your name, whatever it is, .com. Try to get .com domains and just start start branding yourself. Take action. Show up every day. Stay consistent. That's what's going to separate you from people who have no success in this niche, okay? So with that being said, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this if you know somebody who might find value in this video. Also, we are still having our Quicksilver Labor Day sale. I think today's sale is, well, on top of the sale, they're giving away free silver mercury dimes, 90% silver mercury dimes. So for every $50 that you spend, they're going to give you a free 90% silver mercury dime. All right. So if you spend $100, you'll get 2 of them. If you spend $150, you'll get 3 of them. For every $50 you spend, they're giving away one of those 90% silver mercury dimes. So I'll have information about that down below this video as well. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We're off to a family get-together this afternoon. And then tonight we have a Quicksilver call. If I'm back in time, I'll be on that at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want information about that, reach out to me. I'm just here at the soap shop doing a couple of things really quick, and then we'll be going to our family barbecue. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.